It's the VOCIC Rollator. It's 2-in-1. It's a rollator, and it's also, as you can see, a transport chair. Very comfortable. Now this will hold up to 300 pounds. I'm 207, just weighed myself, and I'm quite comfortable. And I feel confident that anybody larger than me would be nice and comfortable in this chair. The seat is waterproof, nice vinyl and soft. It is 15.5 inches wide and 14.5 inches deep. And then the entire area within the frame here is about 18 inches. It will fit through an interior door. Standard width is 30 inches in most homes. This is 24 inches. Most of the chair is about 21 inches, but we do have the rear wheels back here, and they are 24 inches. So that's going to leave you another 6 inches to get through a standard interior door. If your passenger wants footrests, they do come. They attach, but they come off very easily if you don't want footrests. My mother-in-law, for example, really doesn't like footrests at all. She likes to know that her feet can touch the ground anytime she wants. So we take them off for her. Taking off those footrests makes no never mind to you. I'd recommend doing it for when you're using it as a rollator. As a rollator, it's kind of nice to have as little a footprint as you can as you're just kind of getting around, especially as maneuverable as this is with the 360-degree front wheels. Those wheels are 10 inches, by the way, and they are tubeless, so they're solid. So they'll do real well on different types of terrain. So let's talk about the brakes. There's actually a dual system. First system is when you're rolling, you want to stop, just squeeze. If you want the chair to be stationary, then just lock these down and it's stationary. This was so easy to assemble. It came in a box that was about 22 by 22 by 10. It comes mostly assembled. We just have to put together a few parts, such as the wheels and the footrests. The instructions are easy to read. The type isn't too small, so I didn't need my reading glasses. Very detailed. But I did find that the assembly instructions were better on their video, which you can find on their storefront site. The seat backrest is adjustable. I've had it in the transport chair mode, but this is really where you want it for the rollator mode. And then when you're going to sit down, take a rest, or use it as a transport chair, you move it back like that. Another real handy feature is the storage beneath the seat. 8 inches deep by 12 inches wide. We also have a really cool little pocket here. You can put your wallet, cell phone, something like that right here. Closes up with Velcro. And you can fit the footstools in here if you're not using them. It also has a nice facility for a cane or an umbrella. Put the base here and then just clip it in right here. And for safety, we've got a seat belt. It's made of aluminum alloy, so it's as strong as it can be while at the same time being light. It's about 23 pounds, which is not bad. Now let's fold it up. I've taken off the footrests. Back seat rest goes forward. Seat comes up, and then I just lift up this handle straight up. So I've just folded it, haven't done anything to it other than taking off those footrests. And we've got about 40 inches high. That's with these handles fully extended upward. About 40 inches high, about 21 inches this way, and then as we know, 24 inches that way. So that's what you have to deal with. You'll need that much room in the back of your car, in your trunk, or wherever you're storing this. The VOCIC Z51 Rollator and Transport Chair. Highly recommend it.